Thank you for applying for a faculty position at UCI. UCI is a public research university proudly serving the state of California while reaching across the country and world. Inclusive excellence animates our core research, teaching, and service mission. This commitment refers to building and sustaining a community where all expect equity, support diversity, and practice inclusion. As campus leaders, faculty play an indispensable role in realizing this commitment. It is for this reason that applicants for faculty positions are required to submit a statement about their previous and/or future contributions to diversity. As an applicant, the diversity statement provides you with an opportunity to reflect on how your career choices align with UCI's commitment to inclusive excellence. The length is not prescribed, but it's important to remember that this is your statement about why inclusive excellence matters to you. Think about the statement as a way to introduce yourself to future colleagues. As you prepare your statement, please consider the following tips. Number 1, being personally committed to the idea of diversity is necessary but not sufficient. It's for this reason that you want to consider the second tip. Describe how the activity or activities in your statement promotes or advances equal opportunity for underserved populations and/or underrepresented racial and ethnic minorities. Please note, this may vary depending on what part of the educational pipeline you are referring to and/or the field you are describing. Third, clarify the nature of your involvement. Were you involved in a single or multiple activities? Or was it part of an ongoing organized priority? Did you serve in a leadership or other key role? Fourth, discuss the significance and/or impact of the activity or activities. How does it build upon or leverage evidence-based best practices? Raise awareness about equity and diversity in various institutional settings, such as a laboratory, department, college or school, or profession or field. Contributes to the literature and/or practice about or strategic goals for equitable access, student success, or graduate student degree completion, faculty diversity, or community engagement. Next, you want to address the extent to which the activity has been recognized. Was the activity supported through a competitive funding source? Were the results published or discussed in a learning community or conference of practitioners, or presented in a poster session? Selected for an award or other form of commendation? Or form part of a larger enterprise such as a committee report, a task force recommendation, or affected transformation in other ways? And finally, be specific. If possible, provide references or citations. Avoid generalities. Please visit the Diversity Resources link in your application window to learn more about UCI's commitment to inclusive excellence. There you can learn about how inclusive excellence drives critical activities at UCI. These include our outreach efforts to underserved communities, use of holistic review and admissions, adoption of data analytics and evidence-based best practices to support student success and graduate student degree completion, efforts to improve the climate in laboratory and performance spaces, as well as departments and schools, and finally, confront barriers and hurdles to equity and diversity through robust research, data-driven advocacy, and education. Thank you again for your interest in a faculty position at UCI.